Hey love, how you doing? So, thank you guys for tuning back in and coming to check me out and see what I got going on today. Today I will be giving you guys a little tutorial on some cool little chicken bites that I'm about to whip up in the kitchen, right? So, I've seen the hot Cheetos chicken and I've seen all kind of hot chicken recipes that they got out there, but I haven't seen, at least not yet, I haven't seen the Doritos Flamin' Hot chicken. So today I decided, what the hell, let's give it a try. And I'm going to show you guys how I prepared it, of course. As you can see right here, I already have my chicken cut up, and it's chicken tenders, just in case if you guys don't know. My husband does not eat chicken on the bone, so I try to keep everything kid friendly. And I just I try to keep it, you know, so that he'll eat it, of course. And something else you'll need are 2 eggs and 2 cups of flour. And of course you're gonna need your little plate so you can put the little chicken tenders on. And don't forget your Dorito Flamin' Hot nachos. And just so guys, go ahead and open those up, crunch them down. And don't be tripping on me just because I'm crunching them by hand. I realize that, yeah, you could probably put these in a food processor for easier access, but it's just, I don't know where my little thing, my little cap that goes on top of it, I don't know where it is, but anyway, this works too. So, excuse me, give me a second, I'm gonna crunch this up and I'll be right back, okay? Okay. So I think I got it crunched up pretty well. They look pretty finely chopped to me. So I'll go ahead and pour them out and put them over there. Just like that, right there. A couple of them hit that table though. Throw that over there. Oh, and of course we have to season a little more. I only put a little bit on there earlier just because I wanted to kind of let it marinate and sit a little bit because I knew we was having this. But anyway, let me just sprinkle this a little more, just a little. A little goes a long way, you know. Oh, and something else that I haven't been doing and I've seen other people doing, and I thought maybe I should give it a try. Just this. I'm usually a leader, not a follower, but I want to follow this recipe the right way. So they season the flour. So I'm just gonna put a little seasoning in the flour. That's just a meat tenderizer, and yes, honey, it is great value brand Walmart. Ain't nothing wrong with that. It tastes pretty fine. Did y'all see that? I didn't even realize that this one wasn't even open. Okay, try that one in a second. But here's a little onion powder. That's all it is. And now, let me try my garlic powder since it won't act up on TV. Can't get it open. Okay. And that noise y'all hear in the background, if you hear it, it's my babies. They're not playing a game, so just waiting on me to finish up. That's it. Alright, so I mix it around a little bit, let that flour get a little seasoned on it. So it's gonna be salty, flavorful, should I say. And I'm gonna mix around my little chicken tenders and my little chicken cutlets that I prepared. Just so I can make sure every little piece is seasoned, and the pieces that I see that are not seasoned, I think I'm gonna go in with a little bit more season, okay? Because it's kind of a lot. So yeah, I think I'm gonna give it a little bit more. Oh, cool. So, with clean hands, of course, yes, I have clean hands. The first thing you want to do is take one of your little chicken tenders, your little chicken bites, chicken wings, whichever one you decide you want to use, and dip that baby in the flour slightly. Make it lightly coated like so. Lightly coated. Gonna sit them on a plate. Just gonna do a couple of them so you guys get the drift, you know. And a couple more. Sorry for the silencio. I'm busy. I'm working. It's concentration. You know, it kind of take a little concentration to get these chicken bites together. You know. So, okay. I only got a couple. That's enough for right now anyway. So what you do is you take those bites again that you just lightly coated and you want to dip them in your egg wash. And then it'll take it over there and dip it around in your chips. Let it get nice and coated. Nice and coated. Look at that. And repeat. Y'all heard that? Somebody got their butt on the toilet. I knew somebody was gonna be on the toilet. Y'all hear Max? Junior over there bothering him, of course. So, y'all gonna hear him. I might not have enough Doritos. The little bag, Oh yeah, and make sure you got your grease already getting hot, okay? Have it in the background getting ready so when your little chicken bites get fully coated and you ready to go ahead and dip them, you know, you won't have to wait so long. So like I got mine going in the background over there, waiting patiently for me to drop these chicken bites in there. Why? Ew, this is so slimy. As you can tell, I usually do my chicken and egg wash. Just, no. Okay. I'm learning though. I'm learning. Okay. I got about two more little pieces. Coated with. And one chicken baby left. So gross, y'all. Ew. Good thing I don't have on my nails, because I would be like Take them off now. Maybe I should get some gloves, huh? Hint, hint. Send me some gloves, y'all. Okay, so there we have it, right? Got a couple of pieces of little chicken bites ready, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put mine in the oven. Go ahead and put mine in the deep fryer and see how they turn out. Give them probably about, what, 6 to 8 minutes, and take them out, and I'll show you guys what they look like. So give me 1 second, and I shall be right back. All right, babies. So I'm back. I just a little plate up, throw a little ranch on there, and of course, you know, put some extra chips on the side. And here.
Oh, hot stuff all over my nachos, walking like a taco, driving over potholes, hotter than a pot roast, fingers on my hot chips, red-handed, come on, man, I'ma need some chopsticks. Before I leave the house, man, I'ma need another outfit.
Why they haven't used Doritos and they use Cheetos? But that's okay. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and give you guys a little taste test and see what we like in it. Okay. I can get it with it. I think it's good. It's definitely lit. It's a little spicy, you know. Okay. Yeah. See if that ranch heat and everything with it. Even better with the ranch. Oh yeah. That's good, y'all. Go ahead and give it a try. You know, make your little recipe, put it together, and put it out there. Let me know how it tastes, how yours came out. Show me your pictures. I want to see what it looked like, because I think that where I may have also went wrong is I did the 6 to 8 minutes on the chicken. I don't think it took that long to cook these. Like, it might have only been like 4 or 5 minutes maybe. But that's okay. They're still good. An extra crunch. Alright, babies. Sorry. I got to hold my mouth full. Okay. Anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning in and checking out the video real quick, just seeing what it is and what it do. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. Yes, I still got a little food in my mouth. I'm sorry. I'm trying to swallow as fast as I can, okay? And make sure you give this video a thumbs up. 2, drop some candy down in the comments, you know, to let me know that you liked it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, keep it lit.